Hello everyone, welcome to our table data extraction demonstration. In this short video, we will walk you through how our minimalistic user interface help you quickly extract tabular data from the document or images. So this is the landing page or interface of the app. To begin with, simply drag and drop your document or click to upload here. And then you can browse PDF, JPG and any PNG files. Once uploaded, the original document preview will be appears on the left side of the screen. Here you can see the preview. So let me show you one document. Okay. So for this one, the first document is a PNG file. So you can see the file success and the file process. There's two options, okay, and also the right side, right side corner on the top you can see the process time. Next, our applications, you can see the original document data here, preview, you can see the image preview here. And next, our application automatically process your document with the help of or using AWS Textract. And also this AWS Textract identify and extract tabular data or present in the original document. And as soon as extractions is completed, you will see the structured data. You can see these are structured data on the and this right hand side screen. Each table is clearly labels and also the details such as data field. You can see here that these are data field, okay, and also the confidence score. Confidence score means just showing how accurately your data is, how confidently this extraction process done. Like if this correct, like 506, but this is correct 506, so this will confidence score. So it will be a score will be higher based on the quality of the images. Okay, so you can see if there is 414, you can see there is a little bit less accuracy, just like how clear the images is and how is extraction. So you can cross check and identify validate your data based on the extractions. Further here was just you can search like 506, okay, 506 or any of the data you can search. It's not like related to this one. Okay, finally you can click the download the tables. If there is multiple table, you can see the download and filter tables or filter data for each of the tables separately, and you can see by the scrolling. I will upload a next upload another document to explain that concept. Okay, also you can search here. If you want to download this one, you can download it separately. Let me download, okay, and then okay, so you can see the extracted data. Okay, let me upload another one. So that has multiple document, sorry, not multiple document, that has multiple table. Upload is done. You can see the data and each table you can download separately. So you can click on the download, as you can see here, also along with confidence score. Fine, you can search in any of the tables. Okay, let me show the search. You can get, if you want to search here, let me show this table. So similarly you can download all the tables or you can say download individually. So let me show the data. Okay, so again you can see the data in this format. You can customize according to your need that on your hand. Now let me show the upload some PDF. So maybe for PDF you might not see the preview here, okay, because we are currently able to see the preview in the image format because that was easy, but we can show the PDF. Okay, so you have to manually check on the PDF preview. So this time let me use the feature drag and drop. So this one PDF. This data is extracted. I think this is showing the old preview, okay, but let me show you the PDF. Okay, so this is PDF document, sorry, the PDF data. Okay, let me check everything is extracted correctly, okay, based on this one. Fine, and let me try once more, okay, so that we will get the preview. Think the preview should be not be visible here, not be displayed because we haven't integrated. So let me refresh it again, okay, and then I'm going to upload it again. Tables, sometimes maybe data is stored in the cache, okay, cache of this. Okay, yeah, fine. You can see everything working because this is not image file. Okay, that time it was taking previously. But if there is PDF, you cannot see the preview. You have to open the file manually in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then you can. So again, the search and filter is option as available there. And the extraction part, if you talk about more about extraction part, so for easy sharing and integration with your existing workflow, you can download your all the extracted data in various format. Currently is a CSV format. You can upload in normal text format, or directly you can send this data to your existing app with the help of SQL queries as well. Or also you can integrate this app directly into in your CRM system or in your other app database. Fine. Our tool, so you can adopt this tool based on your need. So I think most of the things we have discussed. Also the more important point here, you can see the processing time of each of the document. For this was take 3.4. okay, let me show others. For this one is larger, okay, or larger means there's many tabular data, okay. So let me see, okay, how much time is took, okay. So you can see 6.59 seconds. So but if you typing manually, it will take more time, okay, for extraction this data. So I think that's it for this video. With just a few click, you can quickly transform your PDF or image based on your image based table into some structured and searchable data using AWS. We hope this demonstration help you see how our minimalistic UI focus on core functionality while offering the powerful feature under the hood. So final recap, the key feature of our table data extraction app or UI, okay. So minimalistic UI design focus on core functionality. This UI can be improved based on your need or demand, but I think the core functionality is performing very well in the given UI, okay. Easy upload document, easy document upload, support PDF, PNG, JPG files format and for tabular extractions, okay. Just with a drag and drop, and you can simply upload by double clicking on that. Dual panel layout, this is very helpful, okay. Display the original content left hand side and show the extracted tabular data right hand side. A smart search and filter, quickly locate extracted data and integrate search and filter options. Fine. Export and integration, currently we have integrated the Excel file formatting or CSV file formatting. Later you can extract this data in multiple format like JSON format, Excel format. Directly you can connect with any CRM or any CRM database or directly any SQL database, okay. Fast processing time, optimized for quick and accurate table extractions, okay. And how these all things are performed in backend, this is powered by AWS Textract, okay. So this is not powered by, the UI is not provided by just Textract. With the help of Textract API call, we have to develop all these app, okay. But we have to lots of do middle work, middle level work, okay. So you need some developing skills if you want to build from scratch if you are not a developers, okay, because AWS providing this API key, and this with the help of that API key you have to develop the whole applications, okay. So now call to action. So if you are a business owner or entrepreneur aiming to develop cutting edge AI solution or the same applications you have just watched or seen, so this work as a proof of concept or minimum viable product, in short called MVP. As you can see on the screen, there is a 3 or 4 more standard term used, minimum viable product, that MVP creations, proof of concept, and then proof of concept development, or in short it called POC, and AI automation solutions, any document extraction you can also called as a AI automation solution, or you want to perform any other tasks with the help of AI you want to automate. Custom AI development, is more like fine tuning the models or building anything, a little bit fine tuning or uploading custom data, integrating DAG, SCAG. There is lots of AI concepts. So based on your need, we will customize your app on the need. So MVP, and also if you want to secure funding with the help of this MVP, this concept, like mostly POC MVP are good to start to taking the funding, okay. Or a fully, we can also help to build a fully functional or full production ready app as system as well. So our skilled developer at Codersarts are ready to turn your vision into reality, okay. So we specialize in creating AI powered application, including this one is a very table data extraction solution you have just seen. So reach out to us Codersart today, and let's thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to helping you streamline your document processing app. Also, if you have any questions or suggestion, you can comment down below. And so how you can reach out to us? You can reach out to us directly via email contact@codersart.com or directly visit www.codersart.com. We have also provided the in social media handles in our descriptions. You can check it out, like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and also LinkedIn. And obviously these are the different way of connecting and reaching out to us.